I am Jonathan Progoff, Director of Dialogue House Associates and the Intensive Journal Program. The author has granted permission to reproduce this article. The voice reading this article is not that of the author.
Wisdom of Life. A poem by Dr. Ira Progoff, written in 1972. If I did not believe that the wisdom of life is greater than my own wisdom, I could not have survived. But having survived, it is more than a faith now, a knowledge. I know that great as my wisdom is, almost as great as my will and my desire, yet the wisdom of life is greater. And, as I could not float upon water when I tried to, now I can float upon life without trying. And this is my wisdom, and the wisdom of anyone, to know that I know not how to carry the weight of my existence, but the waters of life will carry it for me in their wisdom. That is the wisdom of life, from which comes all power, and the ultimate glory, and the greatness of my wisdom lies in letting life be wise.